Hello everyone. Today we are going to do HOTS of chapter number 13. The question number 1 is we have to construct a trapezium ABCD where AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle B is given which is equal to 60 degree, and AB is parallel to DC. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to construct a line segment AB which is equal to 7 centimeter. So first of all, we are going to draw a line segment AB equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, this is a line segment AB which is equal to 7 centimeter. Now here you can see angle B is 60 degree. So at B we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. So we will draw an arc and we will cut this arc, and now join B to the point of intersection. Okay, now BC is given. BC is 4 centimeter. So we have to cut off this ray at 4 centimeter. So we have to cut off BC which is equal to 4 centimeter. Here you can see BC is equal to 4 centimeter. So this point is C. Now you can see this angle is of 60 degree. Now in the question you have seen AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So here we know very well, if AB and DC are parallel, then the sum of two cointerior angles should be 180. If this angle is of 60 degree, then this angle will be of 120 degree. So at C we will have to make the angle of 120 degree. So we are going to draw angle of 120 degree at C. Cut off this arc at 2 points. Now join C to the point of intersection. Okay, now you can see by mistake it is okay. Now what we have to do, wait, now CD is given, that is 3 centimeter. So we have to cut off this ray at 3 centimeter. So we will have to take 3 centimeter as radius. So we will take 3 centimeter as radius, and this is the point D. Now join AD. Okay, this is the required trapezium. This one is the required trapezium ABCD. So now move to question number 2. In question number 2 we have to construct a parallelogram where PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q is of 120 degree, and angle RPQ is of 30 degree. So first of all we have to construct a line segment of 6 centimeter. So this is a line segment PQ of 6 centimeter. Now you can see angle Q is 120 degrees. So at Q we will draw an angle of 120 degree. So draw an arc first. Okay, now cut it at 2.60 degree, then 120 degree. Now join it. Okay, now what we have to do, here there is given angle RPQ is 30 degree. This angle will be 30 degree. So we will make 30 degree angle at this, at P. This is 60 degree angle, and for making 30 degree angle we will draw an arc here, and we will intersect this arc and join P to this point of intersection. Now we will extend the ray, this line up to R. So this point is R. Where these 2 points meet, this point is R. Now this angle is of 120 degree. So in parallelogram, the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So if this angle is of 120 degree, then angle R will be of 60 degree. So here we have to make 60 degree angle. We have to draw 60 degree angle. Join R to this point of intersection. Okay, now what we have to do, here you can see this is a parallelogram. So PQ is 6 centimeter, then opposite side is also 6 centimeter. So RS is also 6 centimeter. So we will cut off this ray at 6 centimeter. We will take 6 centimeter as radius. Okay, and this is the point S. Now join PS. So PQRS is a required parallelogram. Now move to question number 3. In question number 3, we will have to construct a rectangle ABCD where one diagonal is given, that is equal to 7 centimeter. AC is equal to 7 centimeter, and angle BOC is 45 degree. O point is the point of intersection of diagonals AC and BD. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to draw diagonal AC, which is of 7 centimeter. So we have to draw a line segment of 7 centimeter here. 7 centimeter line segment we will draw here. It is AC, which is of 7 centimeter. Now midpoint is O, so we have to cut off this line segment at midpoint O. It is the midpoint O. Okay, now what we have to do, angle BOC is 45 degree. So what we have to do, we have to make 45 degree angle here. $60, $120. It is 90. Join O and point of intersection. Now what we have to do, now we have to draw bisector of 90 degree, angle bisector of 90 degree. So we have to draw an arc from one point, and we'll cut this arc and join this point to the point of intersection. and we will extend this line another side too. Okay, this is 45-degree angle. We know very well the diagonals of rectangle are equal to here and bisect each other. So here we will have to take OH center and 3.5 centimeter as radius, because 3.5 is the half of 7 centimeter. So we'll take 3.5 centimeter as radius and OH center, and we will draw an arc which will intersect this line and another side also. So this point is point B and this is D point. Now join AB, BC, CD and DA. Now join AB, CD, AD, BC. So here you can see ABCD is a required rectangle. So students, chapter number 13 HOTS have been completed. So in the next exercise, in the next video, we will solve CYP. Check your progress. Thank you very much.